Frustration erupted inside the chamber of the Manchester Municipal Corporation this week. This as councillors demanded answers about a long-promised streetlight program. Details in this report. In his sectoral debate presentation on May 28, 2025, Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie announced that every municipal division across Jamaica would receive 50 streetlights annually as part of a national program to expand public lighting and improve community safety. But nearly a year later, councillors in Manchester say residents are still waiting. Councillor for the Knockpatrick Division, Carl Smith, says the lack of lighting has already contributed to troubling incidents in his division.
Knockpatrick have had several unfortunate situations, some of which could be avoided had the place been erected with street light in the appropriate position. So I am beseeching to the minister, don't wait until there's an unfortunate situation and then you come public and say you're going to make honor on the promise for street light.
Concerns about dark communities were echoed by Councillor for the Alligator Pond Division, Omar Robinson, who says residents expected action last year.
Now is the time. Now is the time for us to... we should have done some in 2025 and we are now in 2026. It is not good. And the people of Alligator Pond Division, they are calling out for all those dark lanes to be lit.
Some councillors say the few lights installed so far have been lost during recent storms. Councillor for the Walderston Division, David Knight, says hurricanes damaged several of the lamps already placed in his division.
Yesterday, I heard on the news where the minister is saying that they are going to resume the fixing of the streetlights and the installment of streetlights. He also said that they have an idea of where those streetlights are by using the YSEP program, and so they would have known of where they are not working.
But not everyone in the chamber agreed with the criticism. Councillor for the Craighead Division, Omar Miller, urged colleagues to acknowledge the effort made so far, arguing that storms disrupted the program and repairs are ongoing by the Jamaica Public Service Company.
Melissa came and it disrupted a lot of things, and as we speak now, at our infrastructure meeting, the same JPS Co, they are saying to us, the street lights that have been damaged, right? They are just now in the process of trying to repair those.
That call for patience was quickly challenged.
Why should I give thanks for 10 lamps? As if it is a favor. It is not a favor. Because whether we get the 10 lamp, or we get 50, or we get one, or we not get none, money is being paid over to JPS from the government for street lights.
The minister come out and say, nobody else does say.
1 year ago.
So all we say, Mr. Minister, you promised we 1 year now. That's hard.